Hello, we are at 85 Carl and this is apartment 4. It's a nice large 2-bedroom unit. Right when you come in the entry door, you're in the hallway here. First door on your right leads to the bathroom. Got a shower over tub, tile floor here in the bathroom, and the kitchen, and hardwood floors and the rest, okay? Got a mirrored medicine chest, a little bit of storage inside, cabinet here underneath the bathroom sink. All right. Next room that we come to here off of the hallway is the kitchen. Tile floor in the kitchen. Got nice new stainless steel appliances. We have a fridge, dishwasher, gas stove, and marble countertops. All new cabinets. Got a little peek of a Sutro tower here out of the kitchen window, which is kind of nice. There we go, just a better look at it. And some under cabinet lighting. And then some original built-in cabinets here for a little extra storage. All right. We are still putting up the curtains in this unit. So please excuse, we've got some curtains and curtain rods in the hall closet here that need to be installed. Sort of the last piece of business. Oh, and we have to finish installing that light. But wanted you to see the size and the layout. All right, this is bedroom number 1. Here is the heater for this room. I would say in this bedroom you could comfortably do a queen or a king size bed. We are facing north here, and we're right at the intersection of Carl and Cole, so this is the heart of Cole Valley. Really wonderful neighborhood. And we are on the N MUNI line as well. Okay. Closet for this room. All right, living room. And again, please excuse, we've got curtains, rods and curtains going up on that window. Also facing north here. Fire escape out of this window. That's looking at the dog park. Nice big living room. There's the heater for this room. Now these pocket doors do open between this room and the other bedroom. Okay, so this is bedroom number 2. Heater for this room. This could be a queen or a king also. Here's the closet. And then from this room, those pocket doors can be opened into the living room if you wanted. And this room also has a door into the bathroom. So this is like an L-shaped bathroom. And as I showed you when we first came in, you can also get to the bathroom from the hallway. Okay. So I guess technically that would make this the master, since it can directly access the bathroom. All right. That's a quick look here at number 4. Please note that this building has a beautiful garden courtyard and that there is also on-site laundry here. Okay, thanks so much for watching.